Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to program your DirecTV remote to your receiver in 2025. Whether using a standard or Genie Remote, I've got you covered with the latest method. So let's get started. First, make sure your TV and DirecTV receiver are both powered on. Now grab your remote and identify whether it's a Genie Remote or Universal Direct Remote. The process is slightly different for each. If you have a Genie Remote or R373 or RC71, press the Hold, Mute plus Enter buttons at the same time. Wait until the screen says Applying IR or RF Setup. This puts your remote into pairing mode. Now, on your TV screen, you'll see instructions to pair with the new receiver. Follow the prompts to complete the pairing. If you're using a Universal DirecTV remote, RC66 or older, slide the mode switch after to pair DirecTV. Press and hold Mute plus Select until the light blinks twice. Then enter the code 961 and press Channel Up. Press Enter to confirm. Your remote should be now programmed to control the receiver. If it's not working, try resetting the remote by holding Mute plus Select, then entering 981 and start the process again. And that's it. You're now all set with the properly programmed DirecTV remote in 2025. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more quick tech guides every week. So see you in the next one.